Hello everybody. Today I am taking up book B. In your course there are two books, book A and book B. Book A is for 60 marks and book B is for 20 marks. And book B consists of analysis of financial statements. And for analysis, we need two basic things. One is we need subject matter or what we call the source material. For example, balance sheet is the source material. Statement of profit and loss account is the source material. These are source materials. This is required because this is something which is going to be analyzed. And the second thing is the tools which are required in order to analyze these financial statements, in order to analyze profit and loss statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. Now, this book B basically consists of tools of analysis. You have in your course 4 tools of analysis which you have to study. These tools of analysis are applied for the purpose of analyzing the statements and reaching the conclusions. So we will study how to use these tools and how we are going to derive meaningful results by the use of these tools. But before you start using these tools, you must know what these tools are. So we are going to discuss all these 4 tools one by one. And these 4 tools are, as I have noted here, one is comparative statement, second is common size statement, third ratios, accounting ratios I would say, and fourth is cash flow statement. This book B consists of these 4 tools. They are to be used for the purpose of analysis. There are, my dear students, other tools also, but you are just students of 12th class. You are not right now going to be financial analyst. You have to use only these 4 and reach the objectives or derive some results out of that. Now, first of all, I will take the first one, that is the comparative statement. So today's issue is what is comparative statement and how it will be prepared. Comparative statement, as the word suggests, it is prepared for this purpose of comparison. And comparison, you know, is very important to find your progress or otherwise. If you are progressing, you have to compare. Compare with what? Either you compare the results of your company with the results of the other company and find out which is better. You see, a student scores 100 marks. A student scores 100 marks. And if he does not compare his achievement with somebody else, he will not feel whether it is better off or worse off. The other student scores 90. Now, he can say that it is better. The other one scores 150. And this score is out of 200. First student scores 100 out of 200. So he can't say whether he is better off or worse off. Once he compares his performance with the other students who has scored 150 out of 200, yes, now he says, no, he is far away. Out of the 2, the second student is better. Do you understand this? So this is comparative study. Either you compare your own performance with somebody else whether you compare the performance of your company with other company, or you compare the comparison in the second case, it been between 2 years. You compare the performance of the year 2015 with the performance in the year 2014. So it is in the same company 2 years. This is called intra-firm comparison. And the first one is inter-firm comparison. When there are two firms involved, two companies involved, this is inter-company comparison. And the second one is in the same company, you are comparing the performance of a current year with the past year. Or it can be the performance of Department A with the performance of Department B, right? So this is inter-department comparison, but in the same company. So we can have comparison in this way. There must be two. Either it is 2 years, year 2015 and year 2014, or there are two firms, firm A or firm B, and you compare your performance and you feel that you are doing better. If you are doing better, continue to do it. And if you are not doing well, then find out the reasons. What are the reasons? Pick up the reasons, try to remove those reasons and be on the right path. That is comparative statement. Again, another useful function is served by the comparative statement. Sometimes when we compare two performances, when we compare the performance of the year 2014 with that of the year 2015, the figures that we get, they are very misleading. I give you an example. Say 2015 year, and there is year 2014. These are the 2 years. Profit in this year is 15 lakhs, and profit in the year it is 20 lakhs. It is 20 lakhs. So there is an increase in profit by how much amount? 5 lakhs. This is the increase. Now this is an absolute figure. 5 lakhs is an absolute figure. It does not lead you to some good conclusion. I tell you why. Say this is A company. In A company 2015, 2014. This is B company. A company 20 lakhs to 15, 50 lakhs. Now in B company there is 60 lakhs profit. 60 lakhs profit. Profit is how much? 60 lakhs. And in 20, the profit here was how much? Say it was 55 lakhs. A company, its profit this year has increased by 5 lakhs. B company, its profit has increased this year again by 5 lakhs. A layman or a common person or a non-commerce student, non-business student, what will he think? दोनों कंपनियां बराबर हैं, दोनों के प्रॉफिट 5-5 लाख बड़े हैं. So a layman will equate both the companies के दोनों ही कंपनियां एक जैसी हैं. उसमें भी 5 लाख का प्रॉफिट है, उसमें भी 5 लाख. This is misleading. Look here, this profit has increased from 15 lakhs to 20. This profit has increased from 15 lakhs to 20. and this profit has increased by 5 from 55 to 60. So if we simply depend upon these figures, our conclusion will be wrong. What we have to find out is what we call percentage change.